So in this video, you'll learn how to customize the touch controls of your Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds. So the first step is to launch the Soundcore app and ensure that your buds are connected to it. Once they've been connected, the next step is to simply select controls. From here, you now see the two sides, left and right, and you can start the customization. So then scroll down and then you can see the different actions or touch controls that you can use on the buds. So you have single tap, you have double tap, you have tap 3 times, and then you have the long press. So with each option, you can now customize what action is going to be done. So for example, a single tap, I can tap on it and choose an action. So I can choose play / pause. And now whenever I tap once on the touch control pad of my buds, it will play or pause the audio. You can choose to select double tap and you can choose another action, or you can just leave it at, or you can just choose to leave it at none and have no action at all. So it's up to you to decide how you're going to be customizing them to your liking. If you have a digital assistant on your phone, then you can always choose to use one of these touch controls as a way to launch the digital assistant. So for example, as you can see, I'm using an iPhone, which is why I have Siri listed here. So if you have a digital assistant on your device, then you should be able to see it here, and you can select it so that you can use one of those touch controls as a way to launch a digital assistant. You can also do the same thing on the other bud, so you can go to the right or the left bud and go ahead and customize it as well to your liking. And so that's how you can customize the touch controls of your Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.